Here's the 2014 to 2019 Toyota Sequoia Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This awesome product installs physically into your factory screen and provides top-level Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. We'll walk you through today some of the features. Whether you use Apple Music, SoundCloud, Spotify, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, you'll have full access to all of your music. And compared to the factory screen, you can see what a game-changing difference this is. Coming back home, whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other Maps app, you'll have them built in here, and Siri will read you your directions.
Starting route to 1538 Capitol Boulevard.
Now there's some folks
Head north on Corporation Parkway.
who want to replace the screen entirely with a bigger screen. And for that, that's totally understandable. But on the same side, plenty of people want to keep the factory screen. And that's what this system allows you to do. When it's off, the factory look and feel of the vehicle is entirely preserved. And we'll show you in just a minute how you can switch back to the factory screen at any time. Of course, text messages and phone calls are also a breeze with this device.
Parker said want to grab dinner tonight? Would you like to reply?
Yes,
What do you want to say to Parker?
let's do it.
It says, let's do it. Send it.
Send it.
Done.
Because our system uses the factory microphone, talking to Siri is super easy, and Siri's only getting more powerful. Of course, we can also have Siri make phone calls. Call Eli.
Calling Eli.
Yeah.
What's up, Eli? How's my microphone quality?
Nice, really good now.
Awesome, brother. Does Hamilton Motor Company have products for every version of Lexus and Toyota?
Yes, sir, we have all of them.
You're awesome. And we have English and Spanish customer support, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, brother. You're the man. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Any app that has a CarPlay component, whether for your personal or business life, will automatically appear here on CarPlay. Pushing the Hamilton button will take you back to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Here you could pair to CarPlay or Android Auto. We'll show Android Auto in another video. This is the button for CarPlay. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds will take you back to the factory system. So if you use factory navigation, that will still be here. Of course, any other factory features will be here also. You can set the audio mode to XM radio if you'd like, and you can have CarPlay display on the other screen. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds will take you back to the Hamilton system. Of course, if you put it in reverse, once in the Hamilton system and back to drive, it comes right back to CarPlay. This truly feels like a factory feature from Toyota. Our North Carolina-based tech support team, as you heard in English and Spanish, is here to help you. You can give us a call anytime at 919-858-2890. The folks on our team, we've installed these units ourselves. We do this for customers every day. We're intimately familiar with these units, and we only sell the best products. We're here to help you either with sales or service, and we have an industry-leading 3-year warranty. Once again, my name is Dave, and we're here to help.